Hey guys, it's Jade. Hi, it's Chelsea. Call me. Hi, it's Cindy. Sup? It's Mike. Hi peeps, it's Mark. Hey, it's Chloe. Yep, it's Jessica. Hey, it's anyone in, it's Chelsea. Oh, hi, Chelsea. Oh, hi, how are you? I'm good. Oh my god, your hair is so blue. Thanks. Oh my god, I'm late for work. Bye. Hey, where are you off to? Oh, just places. Cool. Let's go out with Daddy for a bit, okay, honey? Night, night. Night. Cindy, will you marry me? Yes, Mark. The wedding night. Want to have another baby? Sure. Dun dun dun! Oh no, I am pregnant. Ah, that's better. Crunchy. Chloe, for God's sake, stop eating that. Okay, calm down, Jessica. I can't believe he came back. I better go see the kids. Can you move, Geek? I'm going to Cindy's house. Cindy, let's change and go for some lunch. Chelsea, I'm pregnant again.